Welcome back to Jameel Residence. We are excited to share our latest updates on our ongoing projects in Tudor. As you can see, we've made significant progress on the construction. Our team is dedicated to ensuring that every detail meets our high standards. The progress is swift and steady as we endeavor to deliver the project within the projected timeline. The project features amazing amenities such as high-speed lift, 24-hour security, borehole water supply, ample parking space, proximity to key amenities which include schools, shopping centers, and religious centers. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Contact us today and learn more about Jameel Residence and how you can secure your future home. Jameel Prime Apartments, dignifying your shoreline dream.